Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to make an Amazon account. Alright, so let's begin with the video. An Amazon account will allow you to order things from Amazon. So first of all, come to the Amazon website. Then all you need to do is go to the top right of the site where it says Hello Sign In. All you need to do is hover your mouse there, but you'll go and see the option, New Customer Start Here. Click on Start Here. And now what we need to do is go and get started. So what you need to do is go and enter in your first and last name. Next, you need to enter in your mobile number or email so you can choose. In this case, I'm going to go and type in my email. Next, you need to go and enter in a password. It does say passwords must be at least 6 characters. And what you also need to do is go and re-enter it just to confirm your password as well. So I'll do that now. I've now entered in a password. And then what we need to do is go and click on Verify Email. So now what you need to do is go to your email inbox and find the email from Amazon. Here we are. This is what it looks like. And you're going to go and see your OTP here, which is a one-time password. So you can then note that down or copy and paste it and go back to Amazon. And then all you need to do is go and click on Verify. And now it's asked me enter my OC passkey. So go ahead and enter that. Once done, go ahead and click on Continue, and just like that, I've now gone and created it. You can then go and hover over your name in the top right here, and you can go and check out your account, and you can start ordering things. And in the top left, you can update your location as well. So that's basically how you can make an Amazon account. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.